Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to download Donald Trump skin in WWE 2K26. So for example, um, here we need to go to this community creations, okay, choose that, and here we need to choose downloads, and then we need to choose superstar, and you can see this here, most downloaded superstars here. So it will take some time to fetch. Okay, super cool. So these are the superstars, you can download it, but I need to search it, right? So press triangle on your controller if you need to use according to your controller. Fine. Okay, so here I'm going to choose superstars. Okay, we need to select the categories and choose this #1, and again we need to come and enter custom, and I'm going to type Trump. Okay, and then enter. So this is the #1 and #2. If you want, you can enter something and then search it. So it is trying to fetch. We need to wait for some time until it loads. Okay, cool. So here you can see this Donald Trump. Okay, so here we can download it. So it's downloading. So go back, and now I'm going to play with some games. So here I'm going to put some extreme rules like that and then play. And here I'm going to search, press R1 for downloaded superstars. Okay, okay, plus L1 or R1 for custom superstars, and we'll see. Okay. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can download Donald Trump on WWE 2K26. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in my forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.